Hotels-Phaethon Hotel. Athena Beach Hotel. Asimina Suites. Aquamare, 4 stars. Ivi Mare, 5 stars I think, yeah? 4. Leonardo Cypria Bay. And Leonardo Cypria Maris. Or Leonardo Plaza, se call it Cypria Maris. Ledra Beach Hotel. Now they want to Constantinou, Athena Beach Hotel. Constantinou as well, Athena Royal. From here in, it's Louis Cypria Hotel by Louis. Also the first one we saw, Phaethon, it's also by the same company, Louis. Olympic Lagoon used to be Amathus before. Now it's owned by Cadigas Group. Very nice 5-star hotel. Olympic Lagoon. Yeah, Cadigas Group. It's Amphora Suites. Is Amavi Hotel for couples. It's also 5 stars. Wait, 5 stars Amavi? Yeah.
Amavi, yes.
Alexander the Great, also now it's owned by Cadigas Group, together with Olympic Lagoon and some other hotels. It's a 4-star hotel. They have for a long time. The Almyra Spa Hotel. Yeah, Almyra Spa entrance. Annabelle. And you can see the distance now, how close they are to the harbor, all these hotels. It took us 4 minutes driving up to here from first hotel, the beginning of the video. Temperature today at 21.5 degrees. Shows my car. Yep, correct. Some Italian one, Bella Italia, Pagotomania, Leonidas Mediterranean Cuisine, European. Yeah, 100% it's tour is what we see now. Nice, looks easy. Locally time it's 1:55 almost. It's lunchtime. Nice sunny day, few clouds, but the sun is winning this time. Still under major renovation, plus also this and the Caravella stop at the same time. Both of them bus stop, they're gonna be new modern bus stops, and they're both under major renovation, and it's supposed to be done by February. So does it look like it will be done? There's a temporary bus stop. Next to Hondros Tavern, as many of you ask me. We'll drive up to Pano Paphos and I will show you a point where you can get a rapid test for €5. Ah, 0.3.
Huh?
0.3.
I don't know today Tuesday. Good weather was the motorcycle
Well,
parking. They were making rapid test from the car. The metaxa coffee, imza,
no,
coffee.
they make now this time.
No, yesterday we saw it.
This time.
Yes, we will take tomorrow.
Okay, looks like we do try a different place. The lab we usually go, it's might be closed until 3 o'clock. But don't close them, they don't close till 5. Things continues until 6.
We don't have break.
No. Okay, we'll try the original place, see if it's open. We just passed the Kings Avenue Mall, heading towards Pano Paphos. right, it's Almyra supermarket. It's pretty new. It's like 2 years old, I think, this supermarket. 2 or 3 maximum. Electro line on the left, on the right is Bakery Constantinou, and then it's also on the right, it's a new bakery Zorbas by Zorbas. Okay, and the lab, it's here next to Pano Hotel is the Lanitis land lab, what they call it. This one here. Closed.
Which one is closed?
It's closed. Okay. It's open and they have a short break.
Oh,